Hello wonderful people, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back on this platform, BVI Channel 1, where we bring it to you the way it is on People's Parliament. I'm Asuchinot Peters, your host. Today, we are going to be reviewing the updates by Barrister Ejiofor, the lead counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, on his court case that was held yesterday and was adjourned till October, as you all might have heard. Now, I'm not going to be saying much. This live update, you are going to be hearing it from the barrister, and you can make your opinion, because once the line is open, we expect you to call. I don't want to say much. This time is for you to say your opinion, and we'll be answering just few questions and deliberating on few matters and the way forward, because the lawyers, they watch our platform, they will get to hear your opinion, which might help in this case, and also you hear from them what you should do not to complicate matters for Nnamdi Kanu. So once we open up the lines, you call the number on the screen, +23481045533. You can call direct line or you can call it through WhatsApp. Don't forget, when you call, tone down the volume of your listening device and speak to humanity through this program. And also, I want to also appeal to you to maintain decorum and do not flout our standard proceedings. Here we don't use vulgar language. Here we don't get emotional, all right? So that we don't commit blunders. And as such, that on this point, let me quickly bring you the program. But before then, the updates from Barrister Ejiofor. Before we proceed, let me admonish you to subscribe in case you have not. Like and share this platform. Continue dropping your comments. Bring on your opinions. It makes us serve you better. All right, let's hit the button. Let's hit the ground running. Barrister Ejiofor update.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Tony, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you very much. I am glad to be with you this afternoon.
Thank you so much.
Today is 26th of July,
Yes.
2021.
Yes.
And today happens to be a great day for Biafrans all over the world.
Sure.
And I strongly believe that today is supposed to be the day that our leader will appear on court. A lot of people were outside. A lot were given an opportunity to be in the court to see undergo the proceedings. But we find out that it is only you that can tell Biafran actually what happens today, the way it is. Welcome to the program and talk to Biafrans in regards to what played out today in the court. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. We thank God for a day like this. We must give thanks to God Almighty for gift of life, and also for what happened in court today. Because what they expected, the enemies actually expected, didn't happen. I'm also to commend people who, despite all the intimidations, threats from possible arrest and all whatnot, were able to be in court today. So, and the crowd was overwhelming. I must commend them for being there to witness the proceedings of the court. Despite the fact they were not allowed to come in. But at least the most important thing, that the message has been sent, passed to the authorities to understand that Nnamdi Kanu is not standing alone in this situation. So today, the matter actually came for commencement of trial, hearing. So the continuation of hearing, kind of, because the matter has been in court. So you are aware on the manner in which he was brought to court on 29th of June this year, without our knowledge, without reference to us. He was brought to after being kidnapped in Kenya, and he was smuggled into Nigeria through extraordinary rendition. So, which process we have been challenged today before the International Court and also African Union Court, and also within the foreign space is being challenged today. So, on 29, nobody notified us. And I informed the court today. I expressed concern to court about what happened today. I registered my concern before the court today about the manner in which it was brought to court, and also let the court understand that I am the substantive counsel in this suit, in this case. By virtue of which position, the prosecution, being the federal government of Nigeria, should have notified me about the exercise, I will call it exercise, that took place on 29th of June. You have notified me, first of all, that he was arrested or abducted. So I'll be in court on 29th to see what they want to do. So, and I was able to register my concerns and my apprehension too, because I know I was laying foundation for something. And I specifically asked my Lord to take it on record, because I was, by so doing, I'm trying to lay a foundation for what will happen in the course of time. So he was brought to court on 29th. Then the court ordered for him to be remanded in digital custody. So we have also filed an application to get him transferred to Correctional Center Kuja, where we have unnecessary access to him. And the fact that we don't have easy access to him was also brought to the attention of the court, because we should have unnecessary access to him at all times as his lawyers. So it brought the attention of the court, which was substantially resolved today, and there was other court made order who were in chambers, because eventually we retired to chambers, where those issues were resolved, and court directed the authority, telling him to at least allow us time, within some time, to see him weekly. So it's an order of court now. The manner in which to visit him has been specified, which can now accommodate people, outside lawyers, to come through us and see him. So once the person indicates interest to see him, so it's not only lawyers now that can see him. The relatives, the friends can as well see him through us. So that has been resolved today substantially. Then two, in view of the fact that vacation commenced today, Friday vacation, the court didn't dwell much into the proceedings of today, what the business of today, because before the procedure of the declaration of vacation, which commenced today, the court will have a fiat. There must be a fiat authorizing the court to continue the proceedings during vacation. So the court also raised those concerns that he may not dwell much into the activities of today in view of the fact that the vacation of the Federal High Court commenced today. And also courts made us understand at the point he was giving this date on 29th of June 2021, that he never had in mind that vacation will commence today. And we are going to do the needful to ensure the CJ, to secure the fiat of CJ for his lordship to continue trial during vacation. So the court tentatively adjourned the matter to 21st of October, pending when the fiat is obtained. So if the fiat is given between now and probably next 2 weeks or 1 week, then the court can call back the case and give us a fresh date for the trial to commence. And so that actually affected the court well much into our application to get him transferred to prison. And also, of course, you know the style of the federal government in this case. That has been their practice. They filed a response to this application, which we filed on 14th of July, and some of them. Application for him to transfer to prison custody, to correctional center. So they responded for 8 hours after, and decided to withhold their response, their counter availability to our application, only to be ambushed with this application their response this morning. So apparently they were thinking that if this matter is going on, as been the matter is going on today, that our application will not be taken, because that has been their style. And I condemn it to open court. And I profusely condemn it. I told the court, I registered my annoyance that this practice has to stop. Where the matter is taking a different dimension, and the international community is following up, because this matter has so many legs now. Of course, you're aware now. So it's before many international courts, before International Court of Justice, before International Court, before the African Union Court. So international community are fully involved in this case, this part of the game. It's no longer the case of 2015, where he was arrested and brought to Abuja. Order was given for him to be released. Then those orders were flouted by the federal government. Until when we got 8 count out of 11 count charge struck out by the government, that was when he was granted bail to 5th of April 2017. So before the invasion, subsequent invasion of his premises on 17th of on 14th of September 2017, wherein over 28 persons were murdered in an attempt to assassinate him. The person that was believed to be in court on October 17th. So those parts is a different scenario. So to bring that to the attention of the court today, that what is playing out now is not the scenario of 2015. That we are talking about somebody who was kidnapped in Kenya, British citizen who was kidnapped in Kenya. We are talking about this who was abducted in Kenya, smuggled in here, in clear violation of international Geneva Convention protocol, and in clear violation of UN Convention of 201, which Nigeria signed as a party. That's what we are talking about today in court. So, and the court will also let to know that international community is interested, is involved in this case. And this matter, the other legs of this, arms of this matter, are before the international courts. We brought that attention of the court to understand today, because we are talking about image of this country, if at all there's anyone left over, which have been battered and destroyed before the international community. So you can't just go in a foreign land, abduct a citizen of a different country, and bring it to this country for a trial, a political trial for that matter. So that has been laid to bear before the court today. So we intend to respond to the application defined, which was filed first of all, serve us or not out of time. We have to respond to it. For the meantime, we are going to explore the avenue of establishing communication with CJ, so to ensure that the court is giving fiat to handle this matter during this vacation. So that is what we are doing now. So now it's important also to point out that the government of the Nigerian government has made matters more heavy word about amending charge, introducing case of murder, terrorism, kidnapping, and all whatnot. There was no charge amended as of today. We were in court today. I was expecting. I even went to them and said, I heard about the amendment you talked about over the media, that we are going to see. So we are going to see a case of murder today. We are going to see a case of kidnapping today. We are going to see a case of banditry today. We are going to see a case of all name them. Today, as I speak to you, there was no form of amendment to the charge. Though we are not worried about that. What is stem on the fact from the fact that he was not in court. So, which they said it was on account of logistic issues. So, but I know they are being careful about. They are being careful about vacation, because apparently, even if he was in court, it's possible the matter will not go on, because today vacation commences today. I know that one very well. So, but we are able to achieve something. First of all, the court has given us made an order allowing us to see him. So, and also mentioned to the court that it was all over the media yesterday that he was taking whiskey away from Abuja. So that it confirmed from them. The court has also expressed concern. So let me know where my client is, his position and all that. So that was why the court was even so eager to make the order to ensure we see him. So, and it's now an order of court. So we're not seeing him now at the ledger, right? At the convenience of the SSL. We are seeing him now at the convenience of the court. So unlike when they will call us to come around 6 o'clock in the night, in the evening, and see him, we'll stay there till 9 o'clock. They will call you. They say they will give you. They will say they have to approve your request to see him. Those days has gone. Now the court has specified dates to see him and time. So we are now to see any day there's a violation of that court order. The court say I should come to the court and report, and tell the court and report immediately. That no waste time. That's the instruction from the court. So we are going to take it off from there. But I can assure you that he's fine. At least I can assure you that from every investigation we made after the hearing, those informations are not true. Information about taking him elsewhere are not true. So I may not be able to quote mention they're not true, but we'll see him any moment from in the next couple of maybe by Wednesday we'll see him. So in line with all that, we'll see him go, and I will also get back to you people as to how he's doing. And so now we are at liberty to see him at the discretion of the court in the manner which is elected. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Barrister. Secondly, I would like to know from you, what is the international stand on this case regards to your client?
Thank you so much. I must tell you I'm very much delighted by the interest taken by the international community. I need to mention this to people to understand. Only this afternoon I had a very serious communication from U.S. Embassy.
Yeah, you've heard it from Barrister Ejiofor. Now the floor will be open for you to make your submission. You've heard it all from him, talking about back and forth, the court proceedings and the rest of them, and also clearing some confusion flying around the internet, the social media, especially propagation of fake news. Some will say he has been moved from Abuja, some will say they have killed him, and the rest of them. I've already made my position clear. The federal government cannot touch Nnamdi Kanu because Oblugu de Benam. That is the truth. And the world is watching, as you have heard from Barrister Ejiofor. And in case you've not watched the video I published earlier today, I said that the hunter had become the hunted. It is no longer Nnamdi Kanu just being on trial, but the Nigeria justice system, the Nigeria judiciary is also facing trial before the world as they monitor the proceeding of this case. All right, now the lines are open. You can make your submission. You can call right now from the number you're seeing right here, +234 81045455533. We'll be taking your calls. Please keep your calls straight and on point. What do you make of what Barrister Ejiofor said? And your prayers for them, probably what you think they should do. You think they are not doing yet. And when you call, please make it brief so that other callers will call. And we'll be taking some of the live chat comment to also bring on board the opinion of those who are dropping from the live chat without calling. The number to call is +234 81045455533. And when calls are not coming through because I've got nothing much to say, my own job today is to bring you this program, bring you these updates from the barrister, get your opinion, pass it to the hearing of the world, including the barristers, and we take it up from there. That is my responsibility on this program today. I don't need to talk too much because I must tell you I have overworked and overstretched myself. I'm just trying to make sure I carry out this task. It's a burden resting on my shoulder and also a responsibility that I must discharge. All right, if you call, we'll take your call. And if the call doesn't come, I will assume that everybody got the message because I've just told you the most important thing on this, from this update from Barrister, is that the international community, the world, the global community, they are watching and looking at Nigeria. Nigeria is under trial. The Nigeria judicial system is under trial. I like when he said that the court or the federal government of Nigeria should quickly restore their already battered image if there is any image left for Nigeria. And also he made it clear that the world is watching. He put the court on notice that it is not just about Nnamdi Kanu, but the world is interested. And also it will interest you that they have already made some steps and moved from Barrister Ejiofor, who is also the second lawyer there. They are already taking steps to file a case against Kenya and Nigeria for violating international laws, the way and manner Nnamdi Kanu was abducted and brought to Nigeria. Another important update is where he talked about his availability, his accessibility. I mean, Nnamdi Kanu can now be accessed by anyone who wish to. Friends, family, followers, not just the lawyers, but you have to pass through the lawyers to get to Nnamdi Kanu. While they also filed a case at the court to move Nnamdi Kanu from the DSS custody to the correctional center in Kuje prison. So these are part of the things he updated us from, and also he made mention of the court recess, the vacation of the court. They have filed what they call motion, whatever thing they filed to, put a fiat on this case, meaning that the case could go on if granted despite the recess. All right, so that it will expedite the court proceeding and justice for Nnamdi Kanu. So if there is anything missing, you can drop your comment. Let's have your opinion and we proceed. I think that is all that we have got from the barrister Ejiofor. Thank you for that update. All right, let us go to our live chat while we wait for our callers. And mind you, once I'm done with the live chat and without any calls, I will assume we are all on the same page, and as such end the program while we expect to reconvene on this program on next week Tuesday. But we will be coming back on live broadcast again for Biafra Discourse, which happens every Friday. All right, while we wait for your calls to roll in, let us quickly acknowledge our viewers from the live chat. Our viewers from the live chat, and also from their compliments coming in from the WhatsApp. I think I should start with the message from the WhatsApp. Let me start with the message from the WhatsApp. Somebody is asking from the WhatsApp what is happening now, and that is you should come on live to know what is happening. That's why we are making our own effort. Another listener said that nice job. His name is Israel. Israel, thank you for joining us from Nigeria. Okay, we also have Antonio Oliver from the live chat. Thank you for this video. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Nos Roma say thank you so much, sir. We are aware of your efforts, and I also appreciate your support. Keep sharing and continue being part of the program. And let us quickly take our first caller for today's program. Hello.
Yeah, hello. Good evening.
Good evening. Your name and where you're calling from, and straight on point.
Okay, my name is OC from Ghana.
OC from Ghana.
Nze Ike Wobi from Ghana.
Germany, okay. Go ahead. What's your take?
Okay, we want to know, the lawyer is hello?
Go ahead.
Okay. My question is, we are worried. We want to know when next the lawyer will be visiting Mazin Nnamdi Kanu.
The next adjourned date is October. I think October 21st.
No, visiting, I mean.
Okay, cool. He said he's not going to make it. He said it's not going to be made public. You can contact the barrister, the chambers direct, and make your interest known. Then they will assess you and make the provisions for you. He said he's not going to make the date open to the public. That's what the barrister said. Thank you very much.
Okay, yeah. Well, let us get his number.
Sorry?
Not everybody have his number.
Okay, I believe BVI Channel 1 will make it available to those who care when we contact him and get the numbers that will he will be much available to answer the public.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. Let's take other callers. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, sorry, I'm observing and monitoring our network. Sorry, those who try to call in while we are trying to navigate through this bad weather and horrible network. Please bear with us. Please bear with us. Please bear with us. We're sorry about that. It's not our making. We are making effort to bring you this program, but the network is really making a mess. But we soldier on until we finish this program and bring it to a positive, conclusive end. Okay. Priscilla Ejiofor asked why the lawyers accepted the flimsy reason. We're going to take that very shortly. Please, if you are calling, be sure you are calling and not just flashing. All right, Priscilla said why the lawyer accepted that flimsy reason. Of course, there is nothing much the lawyer can do, but follow the process. There is always a process to all this. Definitely, Nigeria can come up with any silly excuse. That is the game. But I believe the lawyers are on their track. Okay. So, and also she asked why the long date. You will also appreciate the fact that he said that did not anticipate that yesterday the
doing everything, please. I'm hearing from you. Please. People.
Sorry, thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Please. Be careful. Security tight to you, please.
Thank you very much.
You know what Nigeria is now. When you are saying the truth, they will be against you, please.
It's okay.
I'm also fasting and praying. I'm praying for you people. Praying for Nambukalu, please.
All right.
God, whatever, please. God will save all of you, please.
All right. Thank you so much. We thank you so. We appreciate that prayer. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you so much for that prayers, and every one of you out there praying for our safety. We appreciate every one of you, and also those of you who have made indication to the request I made with respect to issue of building a security network that will not necessarily bring the eyes of this, the Nigerian security force on us, but yet will achieve our goal. Not something that we're going to be discussing on the social media platform on the broadcast like this, but if you care to support what we are doing respect to protecting our homeland, our farmland, and also lives and property, just contact this number 08104545533. Contact also 08104207522. The number is right there on the screen for you to call and support this our security network to protect our farmland. We call them Farm Guard. It was initiated by Alibo Development Foundation, and we're also proceeding for agricultural revolution, Akulono project, good governance in our homeland, so that we'll be able to get ready for the inevitable. The inevitable is the Biafra that will emerge when eventually Nigeria collapses, because with the way things are, especially this case, will bring Nigeria to a halt. I can tell you that. It will take Nigeria to the point of no return. Honestly speaking, I can guarantee that to you. So, but what becomes of our people when the eventuality happens? That is what we are planning. That is why we are conscientizing our people. We are giving them another orientation separate from what they have obtained in Nigeria. Okay, so we'll leave it another day. We'll talk about it on our Biafra discourse. But today we're talking about the court case of Nnamdi Kanu. So if you're interested to support our security, farm, our properties, the Akuluno campaign, and what we're doing right here, please call the number you see on the screen. But meanwhile, we're talking about the live update from his lead counsel, Barrister Ejiofor, who had intimated, make sure that people are not misled. Hello, your name and where you're calling from. This is BVI Channel 1, and we are live on the program.
Hello?
Your name and where you're calling from. Your name and
Hello?
We can hear
Hello?
you.
Please, I want to talk to Ejiofor.
Please speak. Everyone can hear.
Okay.
Tell us what's your name and where you're calling from and what your submission is.
Please, okay, please. My name is Dr. Ejiofor.
Okay, go ahead. Where are you calling from?
I'm coming from Lagos.
All right, go ahead. What's your take?
Please, what I want to talk about, where is Nnamdi Kanu, please?
Why?
I say, where is Nnamdi Kanu now? As we are talking now, where is he?
As you can hear from the barrister who had just told us that he is well and in DSS custody, and the court have granted them dates for them to be seeing him on weekly basis, and also the court has also granted that anybody can go and visit him, but they have to go through the lawyer. So you have to contact the lawyer if you want to see him.
I know, please. Please, I want to say something, please.
Be very fast about it, please.
Okay, please. Let us not relax, please. I don't want us to relax because we women are praying, seriously, praying and fasting. Let us not relax. These people are demons. Please. Let us not relax. Why can't we take it to international court of Hague?
They have already done that. They have already made application, filing a case against Nigeria.
No, my dear, let me tell you something. I was once then. This is not making an allegation about Nigeria. Let us follow it up. Let's follow it up. We have to follow it up. No realization this time around.
The barrister is following it up duly. The barristers are on their game and they are giving us update. Thank you very much for your call. God bless you. All right. The motions are high. The barrister had cleared the air. Please listen and listen attentively. If you're not following us from the beginning, please ensure you go back and rewatch from the beginning so that you'll be able to grasp everything he has said. And what he has said in summary is that Nnamdi Kanu is okay, Nnamdi Kanu is well. People can now see him, family, friends, and followers. But they have to go through the legal counsel representing him, while they are optimistic that on the next sitting they will be asking the court to move Nnamdi Kanu to Correctional Center, Kuje Prison, where everyone can easily have access to him, even without going through the barristers. All right, so that is the update, and he said that people should stop promoting and propagating fake news, like some people saying that he has been moved, some people say he has been killed, and all of that. It doesn't help his case. And that is the situation of things. All right, let us continue on our live chat. Once I'm done with the live chat and there is no call, I will end the live broadcast, believing that we are all on the same page. All right, Chukwulozie Isaac, God bless you. Chukwulozie Isaac, he's asking where Nnamdi Kanu is. I've just answered it right now. Nobody is watching Nigeria. They are just playing game with Biafrans because we only protest without action in Biafran land. My brother, put your emotion under check. That is my advice for you. Do not jeopardize the case Nnamdi Kanu is facing. All right? Do not disturb, do not destroy any property, because I don't know what action you are talking about. But the action that is needed right now is what the barristers are doing already. They've already taken the case to international court in Africa, challenging the way a man Nnamdi Kanu was abducted and brought back to Nigeria. So you have to put your emotions under check, and that is what BVI Channel 1 is here to do, to help reorient our people, to inform our people, and guide our people better. Okay, so let's proceed. Obin and Joko, thank you for coming on. Emmanuel Okeke say, where is your client, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, sir? Please, have you seen him today? He had already answered that question, and we have already talked about it. He is fine, according to the barrister. Now, Grace Carlo Onward say, thanks, bro, Chinedu, for this broadcast, but why must the adjournment take so long time? Can't the barrister appeal against the month and date? Very clearly that the court is on recess, and They never anticipated it, but here it is. But they have already filed what they call, whether they call it motion or anything, for for the court to, in this case, meaning that they should accept that the case should go on mindless of. So if that is taken and accepted, that means they will go back and obtain a new closer date so as to expedite the court process for justice for Nnamdi Kanu. All right, let us proceed. Grace Ada Jesus said, they already know about the vacation. Why did they play that game? That is what they said. I also said that I already had that anticipation that these guys, they will play this game. All right, and there it is. But let us continue. And don't forget that it is not just Nnamdi Kanu that is under trial. The Nigerian judicial system and Nigeria as a whole, the Nigerian government is facing trial before the world. So let us continue to observe. While those of you who can pray, continue praying. The lawyers are doing their bit, okay? And we are doing our own to bring you updates and also guide you properly. Because we're not just here to dish out information, we are here to guide our people, especially putting our emotion under check. Very important. So thank you, Ada Jesus. Antonio Oliver said, I think our network is gone bad again, but we're back again. Antonio Oliver said, what was the justification for the October adjournment? Did federal government give reasons why they chose that date? Why not February 2023? Very sarcastic. Anyway, let's proceed. Peter Okoji said, thanks for sharing all this information with us. Thanks you for watching, and we hope you share this video. Shouldn't blame people now. Okay, I think he's responding to somebody. That is from Augustine Alozie. Okay, we have Chichi Ewo or Chichi Ewo, whatever. All right, Chichi said, watching live from work here in the United States of America. God bless you, Chinedu. Thank you. God bless you too, and may your work be fruitful, and also stay safe from coronavirus. Okay, Sir Helen Teresa said, brother, have you seen our leader today after the ordeal? My dear, we have not seen it, but from what we have been hearing and from the update from the barrister, he is well and could be assessed more than before, according to the court directive. The court have directed that he could be seen, and precise dates for his meeting people through the lawyers have already been agreed upon, but that is not made public yet. If you want to go see Nnamdi Kanu, you can, but you have to go through the lawyer. That is the update. So, brother, have you? Okay, that's from Sahel in Teresa. Okay, and I think that is all we have here for today. Okay, I think I'm not read from Teresa. Bro, have you seen? Okay, I think we've just concluded on that. Thank you very much, those of you who have watched this far. I believe the updates are quite clear. And those of you who called, those of you who tried to call and the network frustrated you, I'm sorry about that. But we're working to upgrade our network bonding and all that. We need money. We are just operating. We're just struggling to operate. We need funding. We need your donation to keep this platform afloat. We are doing a selfless service to our people, and I believe our people appreciate our effort. We need you all to, appreciate the efforts we are putting and the risk our people are taking, especially myself. You don't understand. I'm not going to tell you what we pass through to serve you. All you can do, the little you can do, is to share this, pray for us, and also support our effort and all we are doing to serve our people, for the freedom of our people and the ordinary people out there. I think with that, okay, somebody dropped a comment. Let us take it before we wrap it up. Oh, Ezi Ozioko Elea said, my brother, they know what they are doing. Those guys only understand it in a hard way because they don't know what is called rule of law. Yes, Nigeria doesn't know what is called rule of law, and that is the case Biafrans must prove to substantiate the demand, the agitation for self-determination of Biafran people in Nigeria. Not just Biafran people, even the Oduduwa people and the Arewa people. Every indigenous person in Nigeria deserves this freedom. Okay, Grace Carlo Ono has said she has a suggestion, which is that not everybody should have access to see him because we don't know who is who. That is why you have to go through the lawyers, my sister. Grace Carlo, you have to go through the lawyers to, to see him. You must go through the lawyers, okay? So it's not everybody that will definitely see him. Those who is important that their visit will help the case and the movement for the freedom of Biafra. All right, I think that is it. Okay, we have Nations TV News from Germany. Nachukwu Goziegi for always bringing us updates. Okay, Chukwu Gozikwa too. God bless you too. That's what he said in essence. And I must say, I appreciate you all for watching. I appreciate you for appreciating our effort. And we also look forward for your support. Honestly speaking, we really need it now more than ever. We are even recruiting more hands, more young people to work with us. At least it keeps them off the street and also help in making sure we bring you updates of what is happening right here in our homeland, especially in our effort to fix Igbo land. Don't forget what I said. You see this case will drive Nigeria to its last bus stop. I mean, this case between Nnamdi Kanu and the federal government of Nigeria. It is not just Nnamdi Kanu that is standing trial, but the Nigerian justice system, the Nigerian government as a whole, the contraption called Nigeria is also facing trial before the world as long as this case is concerned. But like I said in some of my my videos, that we don't even need to agitate. I will advise people to stop agitating, stop going to the street to protest. Give us Biafra, give us Biafra. Biafra is already here. But what is going to happen is that Nigeria will eventually crash. It is no time to start begging the politicians, give us Biafra, give us Biafra. What we are doing is just to do what we can as humans, so that God will not say, these people are folding their arms. But I'm telling you, with the crop of political leaders we have in Nigeria, irrespective of where they come from, whether from north, east, west, and south, Nigeria, they must drive it to its last bus stop. They will crash this country. But my own is what will become of our people that will emerge from the ashes of the crashed Nigeria. That is why I am so concerned in rebuilding Igbo land. That is why BVI Channel 1 is committed first in Igbo-centrism and Biafra-centrism. And as well, prepare our people's mind to change our orientation and build a better society that will become the Biafra tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for calling. Thank you very much for joining us. Obi Oma Emmanuel, thank you for joining. We appreciate your submission. And with this, I am saying, may God bless you, may God keep you safe. The network wasn't really friendly, but I thank God we're able to pull this thing through this far. Stay safe, my people, and stay connected to